Meet Kareem. He is currently standing in freezing rain. He has been here for 45 minutes. His shoes are wet. He is late for work. He is miserable. Why is he doing this? For a donut that usually costs $1.50. Cosmo. He knows he earns more than $1.50 in 45 minutes of work, right? Petsy. Logically. Yes. Petsy. But Kareem isn't thinking with logic right now. Petsy. He's under the influence of the most powerful drug in marketing. Petsy. It's called the zero price effect. The context, Kareem, it tastes like victory. Cosmo. It tastes like a glazed circle of dough, Kareem. Kareem. No, you don't get it. It was free. Cosmo. You paid with your time. You paid with your wet socks. Kareem. Doesn't count. I didn't open my wallet. Petsy. And that right there is the glitch. Petsy. Humans are usually pretty good at cost-benefit analysis. Petsy. If I offer you a car for $20,000 or a better car for $2,500, you weigh the difference. Petsy. You do the math. Petsy. But the moment the price drops to zero, the math stops. Petsy. And the emotion takes over. The experiment, Petsy. To prove how broken Kareem's brain is, let's run a simulation based on Dan Ariely's famous study. Petsy. Kareem, I have 2 chocolates. Petsy. Scenario A. Petsy. You can buy this luxury Lindt truffle for 15 cents. Petsy. Or this regular Hershey's Kiss for 1 cent. Kareem. Easy. The truffle. Kareem. It's way better quality, and 15 cents is dirt cheap. Petsy. Rational choice. You maximized value. Petsy. Now scenario B. Petsy. I'm dropping the price of both by 1 penny. Petsy. The truffle is now 14 cents. Petsy. The kiss is now free. Kareem. Ooh. Free. Kareem. I'll take the kiss. Cosmo. Wait. What just happened? Cosmo. In scenario A, the price difference was 14 cents. Cosmo. In scenario B, the price difference is still 14 cents. Cosmo. Nothing changed mathematically. Cosmo. But you switched from the luxury chocolate to the cheap one. Why? Kareem. Because, well, there's no risk. It's free. The science, Petsy. Exactly. No risk, Petsy. This is what behavioral economists call affect heuristic, Petsy. When you pay 14 cents, you risk not liking the truffle. You risk wasting money. Petsy. But free feels safe. Petsy. Free means no possibility of loss. Petsy. When we pay for things, a part of our brain associated with pain lights up. Petsy. But zero price doesn't just reduce that pain, it eliminates it entirely. Petsy. It gives us an emotional charge, a dopamine hit. Cosmo. So we aren't buying the product. We are buying the feeling of getting a deal. Kareem. I felt smart for taking the free one, like I beat the system. Petsy. But actually, the system beat you. Petsy. Because you settled for a worse product just to avoid spending 14 cents. Real-world application. Kareem. So, is this why I have a drawer full of free t-shirts I never wear? Petsy. Yes. You overvalue them because they cost nothing. Petsy. But they cost you space. They cost you mental clutter. Cosmo. It's the free shipping trap. Cosmo. You'll spend $50 on stuff you don't need just to save $5 on shipping. Kareem. I do that all the time. Petsy. So, here is the protocol for the next time you see the word free. Petsy. Ask yourself, if this cost 5 cents, would I still want it? Kareem. If that donut cost 5 cents, I wouldn't have waited in the rain for 45 minutes. Kareem. I would have paid $1.50 to stay dry. Cosmo. So the free donut actually cost you your comfort. Kareem. We think free means gift. Kareem. But usually free is just a price tag that you pay with something other than money. Kareem, you pay with your time, you pay with your data, or you pay by choosing the worse option. Kareem, there is no free lunch. Kareem, but once you realize that, you can finally stop standing in line. I'm Think Glent. Thanks for thinking with us.